In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete clips on Twitch. So whether someone's clipped something that is embarrassing or you just want to remove a clip, this is how you do it. You want to go to the top right here and go to create a dashboard. Now, from here, you want to go across to here. You want to go to content. You want to go down to clips. And now there's two options here, clips of my channel and clips I've created. You can sort these depending on which one you need. And there's you can manage some settings here. And you can also delete all of the clips for your channel here. Now, if you want to delete an individual clip, it will show up here. And you can simply click on it and there'll be a little trash can icon. And what you can do is click that and it's going to delete it. Now, if you want to delete multiple videos, there's a little checkbox next to each video. You can just select the ones you want to delete. And there'll be a trash can icon at the top you can click on, and that's going to delete the videos from your channel. And that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below there helped. Thank you for watching.